Are you still going back and forth with customers for booking just one appointment? But what if your clients could book appointment directly through WhatsApp without any manual coordination? So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an appointment scheduling WhatsApp chatbot. So this WhatsApp chatbot allows customers to book appointments seamlessly, and it will automatically collect customer details, schedule bookings, and send instant confirmations, saving your time, ensuring you never miss a client. So this solution is perfect for salons, consultants, or any service-based business looking to simplify their booking process. So let's get started and create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step. But before that, let me show you how this is going to work in real time so that you can understand it's working for your business too. And I have created it by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which will help you to automate all your conversations with your clients within the WhatsApp. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp, where I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm getting this welcome message with this button, that is view services. So here I'm going to select this button, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the services provided by this beauty salon. And here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot from a beauty salon business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running, whether any service-based business, any clinics for which you want to automate the appointment booking process. And here I'm going to just open this list and check out the services. So here I'm getting some of the services. So here I'm going to select this first service, that is haircut, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the image of this particular services with its all the details in this message note with a button, that is yes for this question, that is would you like to book haircut. So I'm going to just select yes over here, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I'm going to enter my name as demo user. So here I have entered it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the preferred appointment date. So here I'm going to enter my preferred appointment date as 21st April 2026. So now let me enter it, and as I have provided it, I'm getting a confirmation message which says your booking is confirmed. So now you have seen within few seconds I have booked the appointment within the WhatsApp, and now your customers don't have to visit multiple websites for booking just one appointment, and now you don't have to manually interact with your customers for booking this, as your WhatsApp is automated now and it can book appointment automatically for you. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, by using which you can even send images to. So now let's see the process of creating it, and for that let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here you can see this is the flow page where we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to eliminate all the manual conversations with our customers within the WhatsApp and can book the appointment for them. So if you are an existing user of the Pabbly Chatflow, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you. So right on the screen you can see this code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the flow page for creating our chatbot, where I have provided it the name Never Miss a Client WhatsApp Chatbot for Appointment Scheduling. And here we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and this triggered event can be keyword or the reject entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword rejects match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and rejects? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I'm going to enter now. So here I'm going to just type it and press the enter key, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But for now I'm removing this regex from here, and you can enable this skip trigger matching too. And now on the left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think is main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these nodes from these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting all these message nodes from where I'm going to select this text button. And now in this text button node I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to create a button in this message node. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here we are getting this dialog box where I'm going to provide the button name, and from the speed of the button type you can select your button type, either quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link. And now here I have created this button. Now if my user select this button, that is view services, I'm going to provide them list of the services provided by my business or the salon for which they can book the appointment. So here I'm going to just drag and drop where you will see this node, that is list. And now here I'm going to provide firstly the body to my list. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items or some services provided by my salon. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and here I'm going to enter the title of the first service. So here I have entered the first item of my list. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items or some more services to this list. So for that we just have to click over this add items again. So here I have added 2 more items to my list. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I want to get the service which my user has selected. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data, and for inserting the contact custom field you have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is set custom field. And now here I'm going to connect it, and now let's select the contact custom field as service type, and here it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I'm creating this contact custom field for this first list item, that is haircut. So here I have entered the same value. And now for creating a new contact custom field, you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and your contact custom field will be created. And now let's provide the contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to provide them image of that particular service with a message consisting all the details of the service. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here I'm getting this option for media. So by selecting media button you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. So here I'm going to provide the image of the service. So I will be selecting the media type as image, and here I'm going to just drop the file by selecting it, and here I'm landed to the media library where you can see this image, that is haircut. So I'm going to just insert it, and if you want to add a new image then you can just click over this add new image, and here I'm going to just click over this insert button, and here I have added my image successfully, and I have already got the URL for this image. And now I'm going to add content, means I'm going to add a message consisting the details of this particular service. So as I have clicked over this add content, I'm going to select this text button, and here I'm going to enter the message and the button for booking the service. So here I have provided the details of this particular service, and here I have entered this question which says would you like to book haircut, and here I have created this button, that is yes. Now let's do the same for remaining list items too. So here I have provided the image of both these services and all the details, and now if my user select this button, that is yes, I'm going to ask them some questions for booking the appointment, and for that you have to select this ask question node given over the action blocks, and here I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user or the customer, and here I'm connecting all these yes buttons so that my user can be redirected to this question as soon as they select this yes button. So here I have entered this question asking for the name, and now let's select the contact custom field as full name and the format as any, and now likewise I'm going to add one more question over here. So here I have entered this question asking for the preferred date. Now let's provide the confirmation message too. So this is the confirmation message which I have entered. So with this we are done with our flow for an appointment booking chatbot. So here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my salon appointment, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button, and here we are getting this pop-up which means it is saved successfully. So now I have shown you how you can create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for appointment scheduling. So now you can also create it for your business too, and this is going to save up a lot of your time and going to enhance your users experience as they can book the appointment within the WhatsApp. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and automate your whole business. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.